Hello everyone, welcome to the Smart Post Show Pro plugin video tutorial series. Today I'm going to show you how you can configure WooCommerce product related properties like product thumbnail, product name, product rating, product price, add to cart button, and etc. with the Smart Post Show Pro plugin. Make sure that Smart Post Show Pro plugin is installed in your WordPress site along with the WooCommerce plugin. You can directly click on Add New, or you can click Manage Shows and then click Add New to create a new show and give it a title. Go to the filter content and select post type as products. When you select post types as product, you will get a few product related properties to be configured in the plugin display options. Before moving to the display options, let's have a look at the live preview to see how the product's carousel looks like initially. So click show preview and you can see this is how the product carousel is showing initially. This is the product thumbnail, this is the product name, this is the read more button which will take you to the single page. This is the product rating, price, and add to cart. So I am going to configure them one by one. Now let's move on to the display options and content field properties. Here you can configure product thumbnail, product title, content, custom fields, rating, price, and add to cart button. In the thumbnail settings, you will find the options to replace your product image with a video along with other features. You can set zoom effect and image mode effect as well. Next one is product title. Here you can configure title HTML tag, limit character, and margin. In the content field, you will find the product content related properties to be configured. If you want, you can show custom fields to the product as well. Configure the product rating from here, like you can show or hide the product rating, review count, color, and alignment. Use the price properties to configure product price color, discount color, and alignment. The last one is add to cart button. You can configure the add to cart button color, border radius from here. So that was the introduction of the properties. Let's modify them a bit. Go to the thumbnail settings and here I am gonna set a zoom in effect to the thumbnails, and now if I update the preview, you will see the products are zooming in on hover. Go to the content field and hide the read more button, and now if I update the preview, you can see the read more button disappeared from the carousel. Go to the product rating and change the product rating element to left. Currently it is aligned to center. So if I select left and update the preview, you can see the product ratings are aligned to the left. Finally, go to the add to cart button and let's change the border color to blue and change the border background hover color to blue as well. Now if I update the preview and hover over the add to cart button, you can see the hover background color has changed to blue. You can also set the content orientation for the product show from left image, right image, overlay, card, and overlay box. So if I select card style and set a border to 1 pixel and update the preview, you can see this is how the card layout looks like initially. Let's configure a bit more. So let's set the content padding to 15 pixel on each side. And now if I update the preview, you can see the 15 pixel padding is getting on all the sides, but I don't need the top padding. So what I have to do is go back to the content padding section and change the top padding to 0 pixel. And now if I update the preview, you can see the top padding is not showing anymore. If you want to change the text field font properties, then go to the typography settings. And here you will find the options to configure your font family, text alignment, font size, font color, hover color, and more. So let's change the product title font family to Playfair Display. And now if I update the preview, you can see this is how the Playfair display font properties looks like. There are so many features to customize your product show and give it an elegant look. I will come up with those features one by one. I hope the video helps you to understand the properties I have just shown. Now let's publish the shortcode and go to a page where you want to display it. You can insert the shortcode using the Smart Post Show Gutenberg block and select the show title, and you will get a preview of it. So now if I publish the shortcode and view it, you can see this is how the product carousel looks like in the web pages. That's all about today. In the next video, I'll come up with another feature. Until then, take care.